red hot Jello salad from my grandma Audrey. So it takes 2 cups of water and a bucket,
A cup.
a cup of cinnamon candy, and a box of Jello.
Raspberry and a box of Jello cherry, right?
Yeah.
And how many cups of applesauce?
Boom.
Excellent.
So first, we pour the cinnamon candy in the pan. And then we pour the water in the pan.
And then we ask an adult.
And then we ask an adult to turn on the heater.
Yes, the burner. And I'm going to do that now.
So you take the spoon and stir the candy until it dissolves in the water. So open the Jello and mix it with the candy. Pour the applesauce very slowly. So you take it and stir. Because it's hot, let an adult pour it in the pan. Cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator overnight. And that's how we make red hot Jello salad. Give a thumbs up if you like it.